Hello, I am Flash Isaac, and you are welcome to the Flashlearners Common Entrance English Series, Episode 2, where we solve Common Entrance NCEE past and likely questions. Remember, we are making use of the Flashlearners Common Entrance application. I highly recommend that you get one for yourself. Visit Google Play Store and search Flashlearners NCEE, or visit flashlearners.com to install one for yourself. If you are watching on YouTube, I will simply share a link to the application below. Now let us begin. This question says, choose from the options the one that is nearest in meaning to the underlying word or expression. The police arrested the man for selling fake drugs, and the instruction says the one that is nearest in meaning to the underlying word or expression. Now the word underlined is fake, which means from option A, B, C, D, and E, we need to look for word that is nearest in meaning to fake. What is fake? Fake simply means not the original drugs, not original. Fake simply means copy. So, when it comes to drugs, which of these words can replace fake? Option A says artificial. If something is fake, it doesn't necessarily have to do with artificial. Option B says inferior. Fake is actually inferior to the main one. It may not even be inferior. Fake means imitation, not the original, imitation. Option C says counterfeit. Option D says illegal, and option E says expired. So expired is not nearest in meaning to fake, because even original can expire. So anytime you see fake associated with drugs, the synonym is counterfeit. So instead of saying he sells fake drugs or the police arrested the man for selling fake drugs, you can simply say that the man was arrested for selling counterfeit drugs, as you can see in option C. So option C is the correct option. And the next question says, we are still choosing the word nearest in meaning. So Ali saved up some money for a holiday trip to Lagos. Ali saved up some money. What does it mean to save up? They did not tell us that Ali saved some money, not saved. It said saved up. Meaning, if Ali gets 5 naira today, he will put it in a safe. Tomorrow, Brother John comes around. Ali, how are you? I'm fine. Okay, take this 200 naira to buy sweet or to buy biscuit. 200 naira. Ali will save it. Someone else comes around. Take this 500 naira. Ali saves it. So after some time, you will notice that Ali will have 500 naira plus 200 naira, that is 700 naira, right? Plus 50, 750 naira. So this is save up. It simply means to accumulate. So option A says kept, option B says spent, option C says spared, option D says accumulated, and option E says reserved. The nearest meaning to save up is accumulated, which means he was saving them gradually, keeping them. So if they have said saved, then kept will be correct. But since it is save up, accumulated is correct because he didn't get everything once. He got them gradually and he began to save up. So that is it for episode 2 of the Common Entrance series. I hope you found this helpful. Feel free to check out episode 3. I'll share a link to that. And also feel free to check out the previous episode. I've shared a link to it below. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tell your friends about this. Thank you.